Good afternoon, children. How are you all? I hope everyone is good. We are dealing with Unit 1 Plant Kingdom. In that, we are discussing about food preparation in the plants. Today, we will know about how does the leaf help the plant in the preparation of food material and what does the plant do with it. Okay. When we take food we grow. No, like that only. The plant takes the food material and it grows in size, and then it grows all the cells required for the growth. Okay. Plants prepare their own food material through a process called photosynthesis, and the leaf plays a vital role in the preparation of the food. In the leaf, there are few organs called chlorophyll, and chlorophyll is present in chloroplast. Okay, this have the capacity to absorb sunlight. Okay, then there is one organ called stomata. Now we'll see the process. The process by which the chlorophyll in the leaves of the plant capture light energy, which they can use to change the carbon dioxide and water into food. This plant food is called glucose. And in most plants, all this takes place in its leaf. The chlorophyll capture the sunlight, and then the carbon dioxide is being absorbed by stomata, and then it it uh, it takes the light energy from the sunlight, and then it absorbs water from the ground through the roots, and then all this process happens, and food is being prepared and oxygen is being released. These are the things the plant needs for the photosynthesis. What are those three things? Water, carbon dioxide and light energy. There are tubes which present in the roots which carry the water from the root to the leaf. What are those tubes called, children? Xylem. Xylem. And what are the tubes which carry the food materials and minerals? Phloem. Pholem. Okay. Water. In this picture you can see clearly the process of photosynthesis. First one. See, the sunlight is being taken by the leaf. You can see the downward arrow. Then carbon dioxide. Where is this carbon dioxide gas present? It is present in atmosphere. How does this carbon dioxide comes in the atmosphere? Through the factories and vehicles. Factories and vehicles emit carbon dioxide. We also inhale oxygen and emit carbon dioxide. Oxygen తీసుకుంటాము, carbon dioxide వదిలేస్తాము. Then see, here you can see sunlight is being entering into the leaf and food is sent to the other parts of the plant through stalk. Water is also entering from the stem to the leaf, and then carbon dioxide enters through the stomata. Stomata is present in the lower layer of the leaf, and oxygen comes out through the stomata. This chloroplast is present in the upper layer of the leaf, and stomata is present in the lower layer of the leaf, where the carbon dioxide gas enters and then water enters, and then the oxygen gets released out. Now we'll recall once again. What part of the plant absorbs the light from the sun? The green leaves of the plant absorb light energy from the sun. The plants use the light energy to manufacture food from carbon dioxide and water. The green leaves absorb light energy. Carbon dioxide and water is taken by the stomata, which is the part of the leaf. There the food production happens. Okay, children. Then it emits out which gas? Oxygen. Okay. What part of the plant takes in carbon dioxide? The bottom part of the plant leaves has holes called stomata. It is what is the shape of that? It is a coffee bean shape and it has a pore ante it has an opening where the carbon dioxide enters through this stomata, and with that in that pore it carbon dioxide goes inside, and from that pore only oxygen comes outside, and it is the byproduct of the plant ante waste product of the plant for the what is the waste product of the plant? That is oxygen. Okay, what part of the plant takes in water? Plants absorb water through their roots. The water then travels from the roots up to the stem to the leaves. Okay, in this process now the plant prepares its food and releases out oxygen. Oxygen, there is no need of oxygen for the plant at all. Okay. Now, when plants make the food in their leaves, the waste product is oxygen, the gas we must breathe in to stay alive. The plant gives off oxygen through stomata in its leaf. ద వేస్ట్ ప్రోడక్ట్ అంటే అవసరం లేని ప్రోడక్ట్. దేనికి అవసరం లేదు? ప్లాంట్స్కి అవసరం లేదు. కానీ వితౌట్ ఆక్సిజన్ కెన్ వీ సర్వైవ్? We cannot survive, right? So, carbon dioxide is the important gas for the plant, but oxygen is important for human beings. Yes or no, children? Okay, children. Thank you.